Daddy
and
Kittens!
Brain. Heart. Lungs. Liver. Stomach. Kidneys. Now, when internal body parts are ready and robot, we can put them together. So first is brain. Brain we will put inside the head. Next, we will put the stomach inside the trunk. Liver, kidneys, lungs, and heart. Now we give a good shake, and it's done. Game! What body part do we have inside the head? Yes, it's brain. Next part, what do we have here? For breathing? Yes, they are lungs. Next we have, what do we have here? Yes, liver. Next to lungs, we have, what do we have? Yes, heart. And next to the liver, what do we have? Yes, stomach. Now behind, what do we have? We have kidneys.
Game over. Sponsored by IQ English.